Assalamu alaikum, dear students. It is 3rd of August 2021. It is Tuesday. It's class 11th, subject education. Dear students, we have discussed the problems of universalization of elementary education. And today we are going to discuss the solutions or suggestions for solving these problems of universalization of elementary education. Dear students, as per the recommendations of Kothari Commission on universalization of elementary education, that means education for all, they have suggested some remedial measures, some solutions, they have given some suggestions. This commission has given some suggestions to solve the problems of universalization of elementary education. Dear students, what are the suggestions, what are the solutions of these problems of universalization of elementary education according to Kothari Commission? Number first is abolition of tuition fee at the elementary stage. Kothari Commission is of the opinion that tuition fee at the elementary stage should be avoided, should not be charged. Free education should be given to the children, so that more and more children can be enrolled in our schools. Number second is part-time facilities should be provided at the elementary stage. Number third is free textbooks and writing material should be provided to the children at this stage, so that the interest of the parents and the children can be maintained, and they can be encouraged to attend the schools. Number fourth is scholarships should be provided in a liberal manner. So far as possible, all the children attending primary schools, attending elementary education, should be given scholarships irrespective of their family background. Number five is ashram schools should be established in the scarcely populated and tribal areas. Number six is special measures for quantitative and qualitative improvement should be undertaken. Number seven is special attention to girls' education should be paid. Number eight is ensuring 80% of children reaching class 8th by checking stagnation and wastage. These were the recommendations of Kothari Commission. Dear students, recommendations of the review committee, that is also known as Ramamurthy Report 1990 regarding universalization of elementary education. This committee also suggested some of the measures to solve the problems of universalization of elementary education. Number first is, according to this committee report, right to education should be examined for inclusion among the fundamental rights guaranteed under the Constitution. Non-detention policy should be followed at the elementary stage. No corporal punishment should be given. Community involvement should be made in the improvement of quality of education. Child-centered approach should be adopted. School hours should be shifted according to community needs. School hours may be reduced. Non-formal education should be provided on a wider scale. Para teachers या शिक्षा कर्मीज should be appointed by the school heads. Para teachers were helpers for the morning and evening classes. Remuneration proposed was 1/3 of the regular teacher. This provision should be also made so that the education, elementary education, can be given, provided to large number of people. Adequate attention should be paid to make the enrollment data more reliable. Dear students, these were the solutions or suggestions for solving problems of universalization of elementary education according to Kothari Commission and Review Committee, also known as Ramamurthy Committee Report 1990. It's all for today. Inshallah, tomorrow we will take up some other topic. Till then, bye. Assalamu alaikum.